So in activity 1 recitation is the introduction of Amazon Web Console. So I'm already here on the OWS website. So you need to sign your OWS account. I already created my OWS account by using my best friend's GCash Visa card. So any card that have Visa, you can use it by signing. So besides to IAM user sign in, you can use root user because it easy to access. So sign in your email account. Next, put your password. Sign. So this is the console home. This is my account ID that I already created. This is my account information or personal information. This website.